Hi guys, today I want to install the small window in here, and I need to measure how thick the frame we need to build. There's the little aluminium piece that gonna attach this to the wall. I don't know, can you see? It's supposed to be something like this. This window had already an old gasket in here, but I'm gonna use butyl tape. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work really nice. But yeah, let's make a frame for the window.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
Okay, I'm inside the van. I don't know, can you see? About 35. Okay, now we have the first frame. Yeah, I think it fits pretty good. So this surface we don't see after the installation, because we're gonna put another layer, same size. This is 9 millimeter. On top of this, so together they are 18 millimeters. That's enough for me. And when we have installed the window, we can put on top of this like a nice trim. Next thing, I gonna glue these two together, and after that we can glue this one in here. The wall isn't so bad anymore after we glued this frame for the window. So here is the little notch. We need to think what to do with this. But let's try the window. The window was a little bit tight in here, so I take a little bit off from plywood with this electric file. Okay, now it starts to fit. Down here, looking good. On the sides, looking good. But then the curvature of the wall is now the problem, because the top side is okay, but this is open here, so I need to do some kind of trim in there. This one is good. It starts to open, and then it's about 1 centimeter I need to make some kind of trim in here and up here. Yeah, I think it fits pretty good. When you have the glue and the butyl tape, I think it's good. First one is now glued in. I used the Sikaflex to glue the trims and butyl tape for the window frame. And you need to tighten up a few times so it squeezes out the butyl tape a little bit and also the Sikaflex. Now we just glued the window. The next thing is to paint the edges of the skylights. I forgot to paint them, but now is the time to do that. Just paint it here and then it will be okay. So let's paint this one and the bigger one. When the paint is cured, we can start install the hatches on the roof. Skylights, what do you call it? Yeah, let's mix some epoxy primer and then paint those edges. So I'm going to make a trim for this window as well. It's a similar job that we have on the smaller one, so I'm gonna make some trims and then glue them in here. Okay, I think I'm going to do is put one trim here, one trim here, like this. You can see the corner, and the next one on top of the other one. Last time we installed the one window and put some framing on the other one, and let's see if we have a leak in the small window or not. I hope not. Okay, let's see. It worked out. This is not pretty, I know, but this gets covered by trim, so it doesn't matter how this one looks. The other one, I think we need to continue. I think we can take these clamps off. Okay, so these are glued. seems to hold, and this is not so flimsy anymore. So yeah, now I need to cut. Yeah, let's cut trims and glue them in. Then I can do something else. I think it's now good. Have maybe enough clamps in here. So this one now need to cure a bit, and I think it's not raining anymore, so we have a bit water in here, and maybe you can see it's leaking, dropping water in here. Always somebody calling. Okay, let's try again if we can draw this. Nobody will call me. Around here. And around here. Something like this. I think it would work. So we can install it in here. Okay, now let's not try to fall from the roof. And here we have the little pieces in here. These are all sanded. And now we need to prep the surface for the glue. So let's clean it up first, then a little sand, and then clean again. And then we can apply the so-called Sikaflex, and then we can glue these things down. Okay, then we are ready to give it a light sand on the edge, so the glue sticks very good. Okay, everything is now glued down. Now we have about 2 centimeters wide strip here, and it's enough for the skylight to have a good seal and good bond to the roof. So I have all the pieces in here. These are a little bit different because these need to be minimum 20 millimeters thick, and this ply is 12 millimeters. So this is 24 plus the steel itself. I think half mil maybe. So this is enough for the roof. So this is on the way. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay, it's the next day. Let's see how well the frame is glued in here. I think it's good. Let's take this one out. Okay, now this is ready to put on the roof. Yeah, let's go. Now we need to go inside and put the inside frame and tighten up the screws in here so it squeezes up to the roof. But yeah, it's already in here Yeah, it's not coming away anymore. Yeah, let's go inside and put the inside frame. Yeah. So the screw is too big. Okay. Third time. But now we got the right one. The right size. And this you don't want to tighten too much because plastic is not very strong, so you're easily gonna break it. Okay, I think you can see a little squeeze in there. And that's just enough to keep the water out. You see here also. And now we can do the next one in here. We are only going to put some butyl tape on the outside and put the skylight in. But we don't have yet the inside frame there, so we're just gonna put the skylight into place and then some butyl tape. But we are missing the frame, but it's gonna rain, so I need the skylight. I don't want to use that plastic anymore, so let's get the bigger skylight and butyl tape and glue it into place. Okay, so I just put this skylight on the place. There's now the butyl tape, but now we have this small little brackets in here. Can you see? This plastic. So there's a little rail in here that you can attach this plastic. But there is the gap in here. It's about 15 or 20 millimeters. So you need to put something between the roof and the plastic part. I think this is good enough. Let's see. How do you like it? But this is just a temporary solution. Now the butyl tape is squeezing out a little bit. That's what I wanted, and now I can a little bit tighten this up. The name of the roof vent hatch skylight always changes when I talk. Yeah, this works pretty nice. And then you lock it down. There you go, it's locked. Thank you for watching this episode, and I think we are now in good process of the campervan build. We have 2 windows in and 2 skylights in. There is only 1 window left to install, but I don't have time enough to do it today, so I'm gonna do it on the next episode. Leave a comment down below, remember to subscribe to the channel, and of course give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And yeah, let's see you on the next episode. Bye bye.